Hey, what's going on?
Dude, we got to sell.
You got the biggest smile on your face. What?
Yeah, we got to sell.
God, dude, look at the smile on your face. Holy cow, dude. Whoa. Oh, my God. Man, you are smiling. Oh, shit. All
Yeah,
right.
man.
Congrats.
Adam, yeah. Adam,
Congrats,
I was,
dude. Congrats.
yeah,
Dude,
dude,
this
thank
is
you.
like huge. Like you deserve this. You deserve it so much, man. You're putting in a lot of work. You're working double duty, and an honor to work with you, man. An honor to be a part of this experience with you. A super honor that I really played a role, this is gonna be a breaking star. Look, man, the smile on your face. Holy cow!
Dude,
Wow.
it was a lot of fun when we jumped on it with Adam. We've been through a couple calls. And we're like, man, like, and I'm just like, man, like, all right, like you said, it's just a numbers game. So
That's right.
this one, this one we landed on. Adam, I kind of just pitched it to him, and he just went for the home run. We landed it for 1,200. And yeah, and now I'm just in the middle of. I charged the card already. I got it. Now I'm just in the middle of sending him the contract. So I have some questions for you for that.